Welcome back to Rider Fusion. Today, we're diving into a legendary chapter of Harley-Davidson's history, the Flathead engines. These robust, simple, and reliable powerplants became iconic during their era and continue to fascinate enthusiasts worldwide. The origins of Flathead engines. Harley-Davidson introduced the Flathead engine in 1929 as an affordable and reliable alternative to their overhead valve engines. This side valve design became popular due to its simplicity, ease of maintenance, and ability to handle tough conditions, qualities that made it ideal for military use during World War II. Design and performance characteristics. The Flathead engine is characterized by its side valve configuration, where valves are positioned beside the pistons rather than above them. This design made the engines cheaper to produce and less complex, but it also limited airflow and horsepower. However, the low-end torque produced by these engines made them excellent workhorses. Popular models featuring flatheads. Some of the most notable Harley-Davidson models powered by flathead engines include the Model D, WLA, the legendary Liberator, used in World War II, and the UL series. The WLA, in particular, earned a reputation as a rugged, dependable machine that served Allied forces worldwide. The end of an era. By the early 1950s, flathead engines were phased out in favor of more efficient overhead valve designs. Despite this, their legacy lives on as a testament to Harley-Davidson's engineering ingenuity and dedication to reliability. Why flatheads still matter today? Flatheads are cherished by collectors and vintage bike enthusiasts. Their simple mechanics make them popular for restoration projects, and their classic look and feel are a tribute to Harley-Davidson's storied past. Conclusion. And that's a wrap on the history of Harley-Davidson Flatheads. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or just a fan of Harley's legacy, the Flathead engines hold a special place in motorcycle history. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Rider Fusion for more motorcycle stories and reviews.